The Public Broadcasting Corporation of Jamaica, or PBCJ, has what can be described as Jamaica's first broadcast industry museum, which is now accessible by using QR codes. By utilizing QR codes, which are small, scannable square codes that link directly to digital content, the PBCJ has, through its technological leadership, made it easy for anyone with a desktop computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone to engage with its content from anywhere in the world. Marlon Samuels has more in this report.
In a world increasingly driven by technology, the PBCJ has positioned itself as an innovative leader in Jamaica and the Caribbean. They are doing so using QR codes. The fully integrated digital experience, linking historical artifacts and images with multimedia content, is a game changer.
We aim to create a richer experience by inviting our audience to engage on a whole new level, transforming our exhibition into a digital format demonstrates our commitment to innovation and accessibility. We want to ensure that our invaluable history is available for future generations.
Key points of the QR code project. 1. Digital transformation converts a physical exhibition to an interactive digital platform with QR codes linking to rich multimedia content. Second point, easy access. Enhances accessibility, allowing anyone to engage with Jamaica's cultural heritage anytime, anywhere via mobile devices. 3, cultural preservation. Safeguards artifacts and honors the people who helped shape Jamaica's broadcasting history for future generations. 4, rich documentation. Documents the diverse narratives and contributions of individuals in Jamaica's broadcasting industry, providing vital resources for all. 5, interactive engagement. It offers immersive experiences through videos, audio, and deeper insights, enriching visitors and understanding. 6, educational value. It facilitates immediate access to supplementary learning materials, catering especially to tech-savvy younger audience, and that's so important.
By incorporating innovative technology into its physical exhibition, the PBCJ has set itself as an innovative leader.
It positions PBCJ as a leader in using technology for cultural preservation, setting a benchmark for institutions across the Caribbean. So, in conclusion, I want to commend PBCJ on the QR code project, which stands as a testament to the PBCJ's dedication to preserving and celebrating Jamaica's rich history and heritage.
The use of QR codes will not only help preserve Jamaica's vital history and culture, it will also allow for access and the building of collective memory. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.